The insurance adjuster calling you right now is not your friend. They are a trained negotiator. Their one job is to pay you as little as possible and close your file fast. But here's what they don't want you to know. You have more power than they've ever let on. Stay with me. How to negotiate your insurance settlement, what they don't want you to know. Hey, I'm Chris. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. I've spent 25 years as a property insurance claims coach all over the USA. I've seen homeowners get lowballed, denied, and walked over, not because they didn't have a valid claim, but because they didn't know the rules of the game. This video changes all of that for you right now. Tip number 1, and this is critical. The first settlement offer they give you is not a fair offer. It is a test. They are testing whether you'll just take it and go away. Most people do, and the insurance company counts on that. Do not accept, sign, or cash anything until you've heard everything I'm about to tell you. Remember, the first offer is just the beginning of the conversation. Tip number 2, know your policy before they do. Pull out your declarations page right now. Look for 2 things. ACV, that's actual cash value, versus RCV, replacement cost value. Here's the dirty secret. Adjusters quietly apply depreciation to shrink your payout. If you don't catch it, you lose money you are legally owed. Always demand a line-by-line itemized estimate of every single deduction. Tip number 3, and this is the one they really don't want you to know. Here is how to manipulate the entire claims conversation in your favor. First, be professional, not emotional. Adjusters deal with frustrated homeowners all day. The moment you're calm, prepared, and cite your policy by page number, they know you're not an easy close. Second, get a competing estimate from an independent restoration contractor and compare it to the adjuster's estimate line by line. Don't share the numbers until you receive all estimates first. Third, never give a recorded statement without understanding your rights first. And fourth, ask this one question. What documentation would help support a higher estimate? That single question puts them to work for you. It changes the dynamic of the whole relationship. Tip number 4, documentation is your greatest weapon. Photos with timestamps, a written timeline of the damage event, every single receipt, hotel stays, meals, temporary repairs, contractor visits. Keep all of it. Here's the truth. An adjuster closes hundreds of claims every month. You are one case. If your file is thorough, organized, and professional, it signals that you know what you're doing, and that changes how they treat you. It forces them to be more careful with your claim. Tip number 5, the exact words to use. Never say, I just want to get this resolved. That tells them you'll take less. Instead say, I want to reach a fair resolution supported by the documentation. When they give you a number, respond with, can you walk me through how that figure was calculated? And if they lowball you, say this, I'd like to formally dispute this estimate and request a reinspection. 3 power words to know, appraisal clause, proof of loss, depreciation, recapture, learn those, use them. The adjuster's job is to close your file. Your job is to keep it open until it's fair. Tip number 6, if the negotiation stalls, escalate. Invoke the appraisal clause. Most policies have it built in. File a complaint with your state's Department of Insurance. Adjusters take that seriously. And consider carefully hiring a public adjuster. They work on contingency, meaning no money out of your pocket up front. They only get paid when you do, but it's a percentage of your entire settlement. They're helpful in some cases, not all. Public adjusters are hired leverage. And put a professional negotiator in control of your claim. Here's the bottom line. Insurance companies are businesses. Their entire model depends on you not knowing what I just taught you, but now you do. If you're in the middle of a claim right now and you're not sure you're getting a fair deal, drop your situation in the comments. I look at everyone. Visit coachingclaims.com. Subscribe right now, because every video on this channel is something the insurance industry would rather you never saw. Don't let them beat you down. Take control of your settlement today. Coachingclaims.com is here to help you get what you're owed. Visit coachingclaims.com to learn more. Subscribe for more insurance secrets. See you in the next video. Maintain it, document it, protect it.